Coordinate grid, points on coordinate and label, first quadrant. What is it? Intersection of two lines, one horizontal and one vertical. Why? Could help a pirate find its buried treasure. Interesting fact, hummingbirds are so agile and have such good control that they can fly backwards. So let's go ahead and take a look at the steps in order to do this. Step 1, draw a line to the x-axis. Step 2, draw a line to the y-axis. So let's go ahead and make these things a little bit more colorful so that you can realize the x-axis is the green, which is the first number in your ordered pair, and in your orange or yellow is the y-axis, which is your second number in your ordered pair. So let's go ahead and add the points that we're going to be talking about. So let's go ahead and start with A. So first do the step 1, draw to the x-axis. As you draw straight down, you can see that you're at 0. And that's the green number. That's the first number in your ordered pair. Next thing, you're going to go ahead and draw a number to the y-axis. And in this point, although it's already on there, you can see when you draw it that you're at number 5. So my point for A is 0, 5. Now let's take a look at B. So we're going to go ahead and draw an arrow straight down to the x-axis, and we're going to get to the number 1. Now we're going to go to the y-axis, and we get to the number 2. So that means my point B is at 1, 2. So let's take a look at C. Although C is already at the x-axis, let's go ahead and still draw to the x-axis. So that means we can realize that we need to write down the number 3. Okay, and then now we're going to go ahead and draw to the y-axis for step 2. And as we can see, the number is 0. So my point for C is 3, 0. Now let's take a look at D. So we're going to go ahead and do step 1, draw directly to the x-axis, which is 4. And then now we're going to do step 2, draw to the y-axis, which is 3. So that means my point is 4, 3. So let's take a look at E. So let's follow step 1, draw to the x-axis, which is 5. And then now we're going to go ahead and draw to the y-axis, which is 4. And then your point is 5, 4. Now it is your turn, so go ahead and pause the video and take your time to answer these questions and to figure out where the points are. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the answers in 3, 2, and 1. Here are the answers. If you got them correct, well done. If you didn't, there is always tomorrow.